it's because of how I started out. But for the longest time, all the apps that I built were free. I never really thought about charging people. I was just making things because it was fun. And honestly, that was enough. I made things like StocksBrew, a simple stock tracking tool, or Loomi, a productivity app that I still use every single day. They were projects I wanted for myself, and I shared them for free because why not? But something shifted recently. 2 weeks ago, I built a tiny MVP. Nothing fancy, just a small idea I hacked together in a weekend. I posted a tweet about it, I posted a video on this YouTube channel without expecting much in return. But people actually seem to care. That has happened to me multiple times in the past. Even when I was working on Loomi or StocksBrew, when I made a video about them or when I posted a tweet about them, I saw some interest in both of those products. But this time, what I decided to do differently was, what if I tried turning this into something that people would buy? So I did that. Yes, for the first time in my life as a software engineer, I figured out how to set up payments on my app, and then I made it public for everybody to try out. And then something happened. Something that I absolutely did not imagine in my wildest dreams. Somebody actually bought a plan. Yes, I got my first paid user yesterday. It was just $2, but this isn't about money. It was a proof that something I made was valuable for somebody, so valuable that they would pull out their card and actually pay for it. And honestly, this feeling is so unreal. Now, I'm not saying that going forward every single thing that I'm going to make is going to have some paid plans, or I'm going to ask you for money to use my stuff. Absolutely not. I love building side projects, and that's something I will continue doing without any monetary aspects. However, I do realize that by having a paid plan, what it allowed me to do was use that money and make the product better and more useful for everybody who's using it. I took that money from the paid subscription that I got, and I immediately bought a domain name. Right now the app is live on instafi.in. If you haven't tried it out yet, you can log into the website and you'll get 3 free credits. And if you need more for something, you can either choose to buy a $2 plan or a $5 plan. So what I've learned from this entire process is that I don't really need to have everything figured out. Just like my last 3 projects, I don't need a perfect business model. I just need to start with something small, something very useful for some people, share it, and then see if somebody even cares. Because if somebody will care enough, they will fund the project, and that will be more than enough for me to continue working on it and polishing it in the future. It's a very special feeling to have your first paid user, and at the same time, the realization that this money could be used to make the product better has definitely motivated me to try and include some paid options in all of the apps going forward. With that being said, I am very thankful for all of you guys who watch my videos, try out my apps, and just all of this motivates me a lot. This is the start of something new, and I'm super excited to be building more things that are more useful for each of you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and following me so far. Let's continue coding, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.